Okay, so now I will show you how to fix pasting on shirt cuff. Okay, so you just take material, this one for the cuff. Basically the measurement is depends on you, but at least you take 3 to 4 inches. You can take 2 inches also. So this is the pasting process. So please you continue. Pasting I will show you. There have two sides. This side is gaudy side, means this side have you can use the gum here. So gum means basically they are using the lots kinds of gum. So whatever the gum side, it will basically is shining, and another portion this thing is matte. So fixed whatever the shining parts, means these parts have glue. So you just fixed on that this glue side. You see this is a very gaudy side. I think you cannot visualize properly through this camera, but you just check it which portion is this gaudy portion, means this portion basically we are here, basically whatever the company use the gum or glue. So you just fix on that top. Okay, and after that you have to use iron. Should be iron is very hot, means is very hot. Initially the ironing, you start from the corner and you just hold